Hello everyone, I am Tina from DKM. Today I would like to introduce trigger cap for you. Trigger cap consists of 12 PCs. This side are the injection parts, total 9 PCs. The 3 parts are glass ball spring and the pipe. Now let's check how the 12 part assemble together to be a complete trigger cap. First, let's assemble these 2 part together. Then we assemble another 2 part together. Next we put the glass ball into this part. To make assemble easily, we put the glass ball with assisted part help. Next step, we assemble the spring with the 2 part together. And we assemble with the assisted part. Now we disassemble the part. In the following, we do the assemble the handle. Okay, now is the state after assemble the handle. Next step, we do the assemble for the rest parts. This is the smallest part. We assemble with this direction. Then we assemble this part. Okay, finish. At last, we do the assemble the cover. It has a rail could slide into. Then all the components, 12 PCs are finish assemble work. Like this trigger cap head has 2 structure. Through rotation it could has the direct spray result. Then rotate 90 degree, it is OFF. Could not spray any liquid out. Then we turn 90 degree, it would have nebulization state. During our daily using, we could have different using result. It has widely using place, quantity demand much. Like this trigger cap need automatic assembly machine do the assemble work. Like what we showed just now. It is the manual way for assembly process steps. It is just for show. How does the parts connect with each part? In the future, if customer need mass production products, we suggest equip automatic assembly machine do this work.